Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Logansport, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers are expert movers when moving over 50 miles. We know all the state and federal roads and understand how to maneuver them. We work closely with state and federal authorities in charge of long distance relocation, so we have unrestricted access to perform intrastate and interstate moves. Our movers pay attention to every detail when handling your belongings, and also our drivers have a lot of experience moving belongings over long distances. To ensure maximum protection of your belongings, we have the necessary insurance coverage. You can trust us to deliver your belongings with no damage and deliver them on time. Local moves cover a distance less than 50 miles from your current address. 3 Movers offers the best moving prices in Logansport. Although local moves are not as complex as long-distance ones, competent movers and well-structured plans are needed to ensure smooth action. We have a team of local movers that are always available to help you with the entire process. Our moving rates are also the cheapest in Logansport. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Logansport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.